Unamused loaf De-Loafs for no man. This bus traveling loaf. This loaf with a little extra yeast. Mom cat teaches her baby to loaf. These cool little family resemblance loaves. This total cat loaf. This master of the 7 Loafy C's. This little lady who bakes due to lack of fluff. Behold the Jesus loaf. Ikea's new assembly required loaf. A beautifully executed inverse loaf. Baby's first loaf. I sense an impostor among us. Just when you thought you were alone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.